Every working adult wants one thing, and that's a vacation. Whether it's just a weekend getaway or a 2-week all expense paid trip, you still need to pack the essentials. I have everything within your budget, whether it's $20 or $100. We're going to discuss it right here. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you're new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. There is nothing like a much needed vacation. Me and my husband used to go at least 3 times a year on vacation. Even if it was just a weekend getaway, we still went on vacation. Now it's a little less just because money is tight. But we never left home without these essentials. This is perfect for anywhere you go for any length of time. So we're about to sit back, relax, and we're about to get on to this. All these items and these activities that are going to be mentioned in this video are going to be in the description box below. Let's go. Now, of course, we have to start off with the proper luggage. That old suitcase is not going to do now. Believe me, I tried. Not having a suitable suitcase can make traveling around the airport or train station hard. And you definitely don't want to make it hard on your children. Let them have their own luggage that they can pull around the station, and they can feel responsible too. You can also make sure when you do go out on tour that you can have your own little tour bag that is made so pickpocketers don't know how to open the bag. Some simple things you are definitely going to need if you are traveling far is a passport case personalized with your own touch so that it's easy to access, and a travel case for your bathroom essentials. That way, you won't forget anything. Having a great luggage is one thing, but having a personalized way to identify your luggage is a whole nother situation. When luggage comes down those conveyor belts, all luggage seems like they look the same. Now, if you don't want to go the bold and bright way with your luggage, you can always do a personalized luggage tag or handle wrap. Whether you want to go super bold or have it describe your past adventures, or you just want a funny expression on it. Either way, it will make it easier to tell and grab your luggage when you see it. One thing I hope you do see is that like button. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are liking the content this far. Any little like or comment can definitely help me out on these YouTube streets. Believe me, I definitely need the help. Please and thank you. You never know how handy these little things can be until you're on vacation. Hopefully you book a fabulous hotel and resort that the cleanliness is superb. But sometimes their cleanliness is questionable. So you might want to put some flip-flops on when you go to the bathroom. You may also get to a hotel and the robes are not as fluffy and comfy as your robe at home. Get a robe dedicated just for vacations, and make sure you get a good night's sleep with a sleep mask as well. These little things may not seem like a big deal, but trust me, they can turn into a huge time and money saver. I don't know about you, but I don't like bringing dirty clothes home with me from vacation. So if I get the chance, I will clean my clothes while I'm on vacation. So these little travel-sized bottles can help a lot when it comes to bringing your own detergent. You can also put lotion in them as well. Also, with me is always a travel-sized jewelry case. My husband would tell you I love to dress up, and sometimes I don't know which jewelry I'm going to wear that day. So to prevent it from getting lost or tangled in my suitcase, I always have to bring a little case with me, just for my jewelry. I love going exploring around the hotel or the resort that I'm in. Now, you may not want to spend a lot of money, especially after the airfare and the hotel rate. So why not try these free activities? go to free attractions or museums that are around your hotel. Now, if the area around your hotel is safe, and I pray it is, go wander around on foot and see what you can do. Also, if you are traveling outside the country, try tasting some of the popular or local food that they have around. The point is, just enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet. It is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Have fun. Enjoy your vacation. GG out. If you're looking for even more travel essentials, including a luggage scale that you can use at home, stay tuned for this next video.